Hi, this is Scott from ArborPro, and today we're going to take a look at some new features in the map shares capability in ArborPro Enterprise 2.0. We're looking at the Clemson University tree inventory here. They're a client of ours. And so what we're going to do is share a portion of their inventory, and we're going to just share this section down here. And this is typically a way of sharing something to the public, make it completely accessible by anyone without requiring a login. So I'm going to start out with this polygon selection tool, and I'm going to kind of reshape this so that we're just covering this area. You might want to zoom in here a little bit. And we'll go ahead and slide these in. And we really just want this area. So we'll go ahead and add another vertex here. And that's the area that we want to share. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. Now I'm going to go over to the share tool. And in here, we want to create a link. And in this case, it defaults to the map selection, which is exactly what we want. Now I could require an access code or not, so I'm going to just leave it completely open. And I really just want to show the botanical common, maybe the DBH and height. And that's about it. Maybe the property to show the zone number that they have out there. And probably a tree ID, and if there is a tree tag, potentially, and status. So I think that should be good. So we're going to set that selection, and we're going to give it a name. Okay, go ahead and save it. All right, the URL has been copied to the clipboard. Or if we didn't happen to copy it, we can go back in here and see all of our community viewer shares and certainly copy it from here. Once we go to that location, so this is the public view, and some of the new features in the public view are the public now has the ability to change the settings, so we can actually adjust the dot size, make them larger points. We can also do some map labeling. So the public user can go in and label on, let's say, exact DBH and common, and label size, label colors, label threshold. So there's quite a bit of new sort of just control that the end user has, that the receiver of this public data has to be able to render these points. Also, there's a legend in here, and the end user, again, within Community View, can now color code based on all of these different drop-down, basically all these fields that were shared as part of the original data. So it's a very powerful tool for sharing data with the public through the share functionality within ArborPro Enterprise 2.0.